Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a rectangle on gradient color in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, I have to open my Adobe InDesign software. Then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I draw a rectangle color and use gradient color on this shape. At first I have to draw a rectangle shape. Select this rectangle tool, then draw a color, draw a shape. Then you can see here are appearance option. Now I can off this stroke color and use fill color. Now I choose this fill with gradient. Now you can see here are gradient option. Now I select this first gradient stop, then go to color option and choose your color or use your code here. Now I choose this color. Now press OK. Then again go to fill color, then choose gradient, then select this second shape, then choose another color. Now I choose this one. Now click outside of this shape. Now you can see I draw a rectangle on gradient color in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.